I just messed up the video. It's me, Robert, the tile setter, Tile Rob. We're here tiling a house today. The lady had me get some caulk for her tub and a new shower head. She had a leak. So we just took it off. Here's the old one. We got her kids over here. She's going with the Delta Intuition. Give me a second. We'll go ahead and thread these as well. Some plumber's tape. So I've been a tile setter for about 15 to I've been a tile setter for about 15 years. I was a helper. Before that, tile and stone is all I know. Counter guy. It's a pretty nice little shower head. Nicer than the one I got at home, I'll be honest with you. So, bear with me. I don't have my helper here to hold this camera. He's unloading a whole pallet of tile for a shower floor, for the shower pan, shower walls, and an entry floor to the bathroom. If you guys are familiar with remodeling, you know it's a pain. You guys, if you aren't homeowners, you probably soon will be, and you will be doing repairs as well on your own. Hopefully this will help you. We can not over tighten these fittings because they're all plastic. All this plastic stuff. We need some plumber's tape. Let me know if you guys like these videos. I was thinking of making some more tile videos. Show you a little bit more of what I do. Let me know in the comments. Or do you want to see some fishing videos? You want to see some shooting videos? Let me know. It'd be nice to watch this thing leak as soon as I put it on. The nipple could always be bad as well. And it feels like it is bad. Yeah, that doesn't even screw on. It feels bad. We might need a new nipple. We do have one here. I do not know. If this is gonna work, we shall learn together. Let's see. We shall see. So it's leaking a little bit. Let's address that. That nipple didn't feel right from the very beginning. Let's back that out. Yeah, it feels like that nipple is bad. We call them nipples. I'm not sure what you guys call them. I know there's a couple different names. Let's hit this with a little more. I know some of you guys probably want me to hit it with the pipe dope. It's not necessary. Let's start upside down now. I'm sure the little old lady would love to have her shower back tonight. She said it's been like this for a month. And we will have to add this onto the work order. As all you guys know, they are always adding something. Let's try that. Let's see. That's about it right there. That's all she wrote. Good to go. No more leaks. We'll probably go ahead and glue that in for her tomorrow. But look, she don't have no water shooting out. Nothing back here pissing out, you know? Excuse the language. I'm a tile setter. I don't have the best language. You guys will soon find that out. But yeah, tomorrow, or actually I'll have my helper come in here and do that. No, he won't want to be on tape. I'm gonna have to dig this out. You can tell she's got a water leak. If you look at that joint right in here, there's a void all the way down. She's an older lady. She can't do all her chores. I don't know if she has kids. But yeah, we'll go ahead and cut all that out. Replace it with something fresh and white. I'll make a video on that. If you guys want, let me know in the comments. But yeah, today it was fixing the shower head. It's an older shower, you can tell by the tile. This is just a regular piece of trim. There's no quarter round, no nothing. But until next time, let me know, guys. Do you want to see some more tile work? You guys want to see some fishing videos? let me know in the comments. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. And you guys have a good day.